How do I update my iPad from iOS 10.3.3 to iOS 11?
In this video, we'll walk you through the process of updating your iPad from iOS 10.3.3 to iOS 11 step by step. Let's get started.
Is your iPad compatible with iOS 11?
Before we begin the update process, let's make sure your iPad model is compatible with iOS 11. iOS 11 is compatible with the following iPad models: iPad mini 2, 3, and 4, iPad Air and iPad Air 2, iPad 5th generation and later, all iPad Pro models. If your iPad is not on this list, unfortunately, you won't be able to update to iOS 11.
Are you connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery?
Updating your iPad requires a stable Wi-Fi connection and at least 50% battery life. Make sure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi and charging or has sufficient battery before proceeding.
How to back up your iPad?
Before updating, it's always a good idea to back up your data. You can do this through iCloud or iTunes. Here's a quick overview of both methods. iCloud Backup. Go to Settings > your name > iCloud Backup. Make sure iCloud Backup is enabled and then tap Backup Now. iTunes Backup. Connect your iPad to your computer, open iTunes, and click on the iPad icon. Under the Backups section, click Backup Now.
How to update your iPad to iOS 11?
Now that your iPad is backed up, follow these steps to update your device to iOS 11 to 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. 2. Your iPad should automatically check for updates. If iOS 11 is available, you'll see a prompt to download and install it. 3. Tap Download and Install. If asked, enter your passcode. 4. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then wait for the update to download. 5. Once the download is complete, your iPad will restart and install iOS 11. After the installation is finished, your iPad will reboot, and you'll be running iOS 11. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your iPad from iOS 10.3.3 to iOS 11. Enjoy exploring the new features and improvements in this version of iOS.